Back to you is Jane Tooth, JK. Today I would like to share with you some tips on how to maintain your toothbrush. Once you finish brushing your teeth, make sure you rinse it completely. When it is clean, you just shake it and place it in an upright manner in your toothbrush holder. You don't have to hit the toothbrush against the sink like this. No, that one is not allowed. When you rinse, shake it to dry, just place it that way. If you are more than one member in your family, make sure that you place toothbrushes in this manner. This is my toothbrush holder. Make sure that the toothbrushes do not touch each other. Replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months. Make sure you brush your teeth at least twice a day, after breakfast, after supper. When you go to the supermarket, you buy a toothbrush with soft or medium soft bristles. Maintain your oral hygiene by visiting dentist regularly, at least twice a year. Keep smiling. Thank you.